Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Jazz headlight bulb. First, ensure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Gather your tools, including a new H4 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and protective gloves. Wearing gloves prevents oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb. This preparation makes the process smooth and safe. Next, locate the back of the headlight assembly, often accessible from the engine bay. You might need to gently move some wiring or components aside. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and pulling it off. Then, remove the circular rubber dust cover, which protects the bulb from moisture and dirt, by pulling it straight off. Now, you will see a metal retaining spring holding the bulb in place. Gently unclip this spring and swing it out of the way. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of its housing. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Hold it by its base. Insert the new bulb, ensuring its 3 tabs align perfectly with the slots in the headlight housing. With the new bulb securely in place, carefully reattach the metal retaining spring, ensuring it locks the bulb firmly. Replace the rubber dust cover, making sure it forms a tight seal. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into position. Before finishing, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.